Oh man, I recorded my face up close.
Did you? Let's get Tabby and Robin some new tent support tips for their tent support poles. And hopefully this thing will pull out, because we will win. Oh yeah, come on, baby. I win.
Yeah, that was a long.
We could use some leveling blocks too underneath that picnic table.
The whole thing shifted. Like this way too.
Give me that hammer, please, camera lady.
Hammer lady! I better hush, he's doing a video. Hammer time!
Usually I like to use a socker for this, but we are improvising at the campsite. All right, Tommy, there's one tent support pole fixed. You want to give this one to Robin?
See, Robin, I told you.
All right, let's see if we can make the second one.
That's about 8 years in the making.
Look as easy as I made that one look. Yeah, one's gonna fight. Oh, wah, wah, wah.
Man.
We will win. I gotta take it out there piece by piece. Oh yeah.
He's got it out. How did he get that out that quick?
It's like I've done this
I thought
before.
you said you couldn't get them out.
It's like I did this before. And Coleman and Fleetwood used to pinch set these tent poles in, and you see someone was a little overzealous on this one. So we're gonna have to try to open this one out a little bit to get this tent support tip in this one.
Yeah, I was trying to set up one of those little cameras like y'all got for your phone. I couldn't figure that son of a gel. And then got down to it, it says not 5G compatible. Man, I got ripped off. Ripped off. $3.
$3. Oh look, I got it.
It must be an old set. Because one shop, I gotta tell you that.
We're making a video.
Yeah,
That was good. We want it all like this.
Derek's got it, Robin. Already done.
Welcome everybody to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm your host Eric Smith, and this weekend we are camping at Rocky Gap State Park in Flintstone, Maryland. So we're up here with friends, and we're sharing the use of their awesome 1996 Key West Coleman pop-up camper. And I brought a toolkit, so anytime we're going out with the pop-up campers, I always bring a toolkit to cover a little bit of everything that you know, could possibly go wrong. So if you'd like to take a look, this is what Derek takes with him when we're taking a pop-up camper. Got my drill, and of course we got bits for Phillips head. We got drill bits in case we gotta lose a couple rivets somewhere for emergency repair, and another little assortment for anything odd we might find, the Torx here and there. I have a backup crank handle. This is important, as I'm sure a few of you are already aware. If you ever lost a crank handle, forgot it in the back of the drive hub extension and drove off, I feel your pain. Of course, you got a lighter. Zip ties. These are always important. 101 uses for zip ties at the campsite. Pop-up camper or no pop-up camper. Same thing with blue tape. If it's even like labeling whose drink is who, blue tape comes in handy. It's better than masking tape too. It doesn't leave a bunch of residue if you have to do emergency repair. Needle nose pliers. Flathead and Phillips head screwdriver. Pliers. Marker. Couple punches. So these are important for drive hub extension repairs. If I gotta get into that tube and do an emergency repair on site, I can get the pins out of almost anything with 3 punches. With the punches, you of course need a hammer. Got a couple other pair of bigger channel locks. Some work gloves, of course. Adjustable. Driver. And ratchet, 5/8 socket, and extension, again for that drive hub extension tube. Lastly, keys, extra keys. Thank you very much for watching, folks. Please subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. Mash that notification bell. I'm going to jump off here because it is starting to rain. I will see you guys at the campsite.